Hello students, this is class 6 algebra continuation of exercise 6c. So in the last class we have learned till question number 19. Today we will start from question number 20. So from question number 20 we have got simplify each of the following. So number 20 question is a bracket b minus c bracket close plus b open bracket c minus a bracket close plus c open bracket a minus b bracket close. Now in this chapter we have learned that the term which is outside bracket has to be multiplied with the terms inside bracket. That means this a will be multiplied by b and once again a will be multiplied by c. So a into b, ab. Now here we have got minus sign, here we have got plus sign. So before multiplying the alphabet, first we will multiply the sign. So plus into minus, minus, and a multiplied by c is ac. Okay. Similarly we will do with this bracket. Again b into c, bc. Now again here we have got minus sign, here we have got plus sign. So plus minus, minus, and b into a is ab. Now always write alphabetically. So b into a, BA or AB, so we write alphabetically. So an alphabet A comes first, so we will not write BA, we will write AB. Okay. If you write BA also, then also it is correct, but properly we should write alphabetically. It means B into A, AB. Now again this bracket similarly plus C into A, CA. So we will write alphabetically, so we will write C into A, AC. Again minus C into B, we will write BC. Okay. Now after multiplying the terms, we will arrange the like terms. That means AB, again AB we have got here, so minus AB, then minus AC. Now AC we have got here, so plus AC, then plus BC, and once again minus BC. Okay. Now after arranging the like terms, we will solve. Now AB minus AB, so AB minus AB is 0. So whenever 0 is there, we will cut like this. Okay. Now here we have got AC, here we have got AC. Now here AC we have got minus sign, and here AC we have got plus sign. So minus plus minus. So AC minus AC is 0. So whenever 0 is there, we will cut like this. Okay. Now once again here, this is plus BC, this is minus BC. So plus minus minus. So BC minus BC is 0. So BC will cut. So everything is cut. So we have got answer 0. So this is our question number 20. Now question number 22. Now 22 again, 3x square plus 2 open bracket x plus 2 bracket close minus 3x open bracket 2x plus 1. Similarly, first we will solve the brackets. So 3x square will remain as it is. Again 2 is outside bracket, so 2 multiply x, 2x, and 2 multiply by 2, 4. Now again here 3x is outside the bracket, so 3x multiplied 2x, so 3 to the 6, and x multiplied by x is x square. As I have told you last class, whenever we multiply alphabet, then same alphabet powers are added. Here alphabet power is nothing, that means 1 is there, and here alphabet power nothing is, that means 1 is there. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so x power 2. Now again minus plus minus, 3x multiplied by 1 is 3x. Now after multiplying from the brackets, we will again arrange the like terms. So 3x square, now here minus 6x square, now plus 2x, here minus 3x plus 4. Now these two are like terms, so this two we will solve. So here we have got plus sign, here we have got minus sign. So plus minus minus. So 6x square minus 3x square. 6x square minus 3x square, 3x square, and sign is always given of greater number. So you have got plus sign, you have got minus sign. Now 6 is greater out of these two, so 6 is minus sign, so we will give here minus sign. So this two we have solved. Now we will solve these two separately. Always solve the common terms. So again here we got plus 2x, here we got minus 3x. So plus minus minus. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x, or we can write simply x. Again out of 2 and 3, 3 is greater, so 3 had got minus sign, so we give here minus sign. Now plus 4 will remain as it is, so plus 4. So this is our final answer. Now come to question number 25. 25 is also similar sum. A square b bracket a minus b square plus ab square bracket 4ab minus 2a square minus a cube b bracket 1 minus 2b. So once again, first we will simplify the brackets. So a square b into a. Now see here no numerical value is there, so only alphabet is there, so we will multiply alphabet. So again a square b into a. So a square, here we have got a power 2, here a power is 1. So as I told you, common alphabet powers are added, so 2 plus 1 3, so a power 3 and b nothing is there, so b will remain as it is. Okay, now again plus minus minus, again a square b into b square. Now here a is not there, here a square is there, a square will remain as it is. Now here b power is 1, here b power is 2. So as I told you, whenever we multiply alphabet, powers are added, so b power 1, b power 2, so 2 plus 1 3, so b power 3. Similarly here ab square into 4ab, so 4 nothing, that means 1 is there, the 4 1 is 4, and ab square into ab we solve, will become a square b cube. Again plus minus minus, again nothing, that is 1 is there, and here 2 is there, 2 1 is 2. The ab square multiply with a square, ab square multiply with a square, you will get a cube b square. Okay, again minus a cube b into 1, a cube b, here minus minus plus, now a cube b multiply by 2b, so nothing is, that means 1 is there, 1 multiply by 2 2. Okay, 1 multiply by 2 is 2, and a cube b multiply by 2b, so a cube 11 as it is, and b multiply by b is b square. Now after solving the bracket, again we will arrange the like terms. So a cube b, now here minus a cube b, a minus a square b cube, again here we have got plus 4a square b cube, now minus 2a cube b square plus 2a cube b square. So again this two will solve because these two are like terms. So a cube b minus a cube b, both are same, so a cube b minus a cube b will become 0. So whenever 0 is there, we will cut like this. Okay, now here we have got a square b cube, here also a square b cube, so these two we can solve. Now here we have got minus, here we have got plus, so minus plus minus, so nothing, that means 1 is there, the 4 minus 1 3, a square b cube. Now minus plus minus we have done, solved. Now sign, so sign 4 is greater, so 4 has got plus sign, so we write plus sign. Now plus sign you can give also, or you can leave also. Again here 2a cube b square, 2a cube b square, here we have got minus, here we have got plus, so minus plus minus, so 2a cube b square, 2a cube b square will become 0. Whenever 0 is there, we will cut because these two are opposite signs, so 2 minus 2 will be 0. So our final answer is 3a square b cube. Now similarly it is question number 26. This is our question. So again, once again, first we will remove the bracket, 4st into s, so 4s square t plus minus minus 4st multiply by t, so 4s t square, again minus 6s square t, we will solve similarly, we will got this much. Again minus 3t square, we will multiply with the bracket, we will get this much, and again this two will solve, we will get this much. After solving the bracket, we will again arrange the like terms, so s square t and s square t. Okay, again st square, st square, st square, we will arrange the like terms, and again here 6x square t square, 6s square t square. Now here we have got s square t, s square t, s square t. Now we have got three terms. So either you can solve this two first, or you can solve this two first. So what I have done, this I have left as it is, 4s square t. Now s square t and s square t here I have solved. Okay, so minus plus minus, 6 minus 2 4, to 4s square t. Again here st square, st square, st square. So any two you can solve first. So what I have done, I have solved this two first. So 4st square plus 3st square. So minus plus minus, it becomes st square and minus 2st square. And this has got opposite sign, plus minus minus. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So we will cut. Now again here 4s square t minus 4s square t. Again 4 minus 4 is 0. So cut. Now minus st square minus 2st square. So minus minus plus. Okay. So nothing, that means 1 is there. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3st square. And minus minus is plus. But sign is always given of greater number. So out of 2 and here 1, 2 is greater. 2 has got minus sign. So this is our minus 3st square. So this is our question number 26. So with this we complete our exercise 6C. Thank you.